Hey everyone, this is Mark from GotMomoStocks.com, and I'm going to be going over a video chart for EKNL, Echo International Corp, for the 17th of February 2012. So as you can see, this last trading day we opened up at 33 cents, dropped down to a low of 20 cents, and then popped back up again for a close flat. Ideally, it's just showing a couple different things. We think that the shorts are trying to cover, and they're attempting any way to push this stock price down. And luckily we had there was still demand, and there will continue to be demand, and that's what kind of pushes back up towards the end of the day. But I'd like to go over, as you can see, again, all throughout December here, barely any volume whatsoever. The key indicators that I'd like to focus on are the RSI. It's steadily increasing. We're now nowhere near being oversold. As you can see, we're kind of following the moving day average here as an upward trend. It touched the upper Bollinger Band, and it's acting like a type of resistance. We actually, the day before, on Thursday, we hit a year high, a 52-week high of 35 cents, which is phenomenal, considering that we alerted EKNL at 7 cents, and it's now closed at 33 cents. So as of Thursday, we secured 400% in gains, which is pretty phenomenal. So as it closed above this resistance point here, this pivot point at 31 cents, that's our new foundation, our new base level for where this is going to, if it were to pull back, it's going to sustain levels in this area. We've got the parabolic SARs showing a long-term support. Another key indication is we have now formed a 200-day moving average and the 50-day moving average cross, which is also known as the golden cross, as we can see here. And that's a massive buying signal. Very, very important. We've got decent volume. It's steady but strong. If we look down here at the MACD line, we can still see there's a buy sign here. It's increasing, and it's headed north. We're nowhere near the oversold territory. The TRIX indicator here looks awesome. This is, I would say it's a soft buy, but I mean, we've seen this before, crossing over, and it's in our opinion, it's a strong buy signal, as well as the full stochastics is not oversold yet, and there's still room to grow. If we look down at the accumulation and distribution, it has steady accumulation. It's looking great. There's support here and a lot of demand. So as far as EKNL goes, we've got a strong buy on this still. We've got a $1 target price initially, and we've now removed that, and we've put a $2 target price on EKNL. So as we know, OEBIN's acquisition news is around the corner, and that places a stock price of $1 per share. This is huge. We're expecting them to release news on the completion of this acquisition by this week, because they gave a 30-day grace period, basically, where they had a certain amount of time to sign all the paperwork and have everything in working order. So that date is coming up, and we've also got a short squeeze that's imminent as the prices continue to rise. As we have seen, it just keeps on rising. We've got a lot of strong demand. There's more awareness on EKNL, and we're expecting it to push even higher before the news drops. These naked short sellers will be forced to cover over 4 million shares from numerous failures to deliver. And that's the rumor, with our members pulling out more than 200,000 shares in certificate form. The shorts know they're in huge trouble. Where are they going to get the shares? So this is going to force them to have to cover on the ask, and it's going to greatly push up the stock price. There appears to be no dilution or insider selling, and if there was, it wouldn't make sense, because this is a reverse merger. They are acquiring other companies, and it wouldn't make sense for them to be selling in the open market and pushing the stock price down, especially when it's extremely thin. And if there was dilution, again, we'd probably be in the sub-zeros right now. So the investors are holding, and they're not day trading. And this is what's inevitably causing the stock to rise, because there's really not much selling going on. And this is a different type of strategy. Instead of day trading, they're holding it long term. And for a penny stock, this is pretty fascinating. As I said before, it has an extremely thin level 2, and that's what's going to be facilitating these leaps as we get more demand and we push higher and higher. We're seeing these gaps that are going to be making it easier for us to hit that dollar first target price of $1, and then past that $2. Sky's the limit, really. With over 4 million shares to cover, who knows how high EKNL really could go. So again, you can find us on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and our RSS feed if you're looking for updates on the website, and especially for EKNL. And then if you want to find out more about EKNL, we have a full due diligence video we put out on January 28th. And it goes through basically everything that you need to know about EKNL. Remember to sign up to our free penny stock newsletter at gotmomostocks.com. And we also have a free stock trading chat room. Thank you for watching this video. This is Mark from gotmomostocks.com.